This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the latest news about Tether Papers. And without further ado, let's hop into the video. Tether belongs to a breed of cryptocurrency called stablecoins, which aim to keep cryptocurrency valuation stable, as opposed to the wide swings observed in the prices of other popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. That would allow it to be used as a medium of exchange and a mode of storage of value, instead of being used as a medium of speculative investments. Tether specifically belongs to the category of fiat-collateralized stablecoins. This means that a fiat currency like the US dollar, the euro, or the yen backs each cryptocoin in circulation. Other stablecoin categories include crypto-collateralized stablecoins, which use cryptocurrency reserves as collateral, or non-collateralized stablecoins. Non-collateralized stablecoins don't have any collateral, but operate in a way similar to that of a reserve bank to maintain the necessary supply of tokens, depending on the economic situation. Tether was specifically designed to build the necessary bridge between fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies and offers stability, transparency, and minimal transaction charges to users. It is pegged against the US dollar and maintains a 1-to-1 ratio with the US dollar in terms of value. However, there is no guarantee provided by Tether Limited for any right of redemption or exchange of Tethers for real money. That is, Tethers cannot be exchanged for US dollars. A global cryptocurrency market data provider, Bitcoin to Tether trading still represents the majority of BTC traded into fiat or stablecoin. Tether was launched as Realcoin in July 2014 and was rebranded as Tether in November by Tether Limited, the company that's responsible for maintaining the reserve amounts of fiat currency. It started trading in February 2015. These are digital currencies that are tied to real-world assets. The US dollar, for example, to maintain a stable value, unlike most cryptocurrencies which are known to be volatile. Bitcoin, for example, rose to an all-time high of nearly $65,000 in April and has since almost halved in value. Tether was designed to be pegged to the dollar. While other cryptocurrencies often fluctuate in value, Tether's price is usually equivalent to $1. This isn't always the case though, and wobbles in the value of Tether have spooked investors in the past. Crypto traders often use Tether to buy cryptocurrencies as an alternative to the greenback. This essentially provides them with a way to seek safety in a more stable asset during times of sharp volatility in the crypto market. However, crypto isn't regulated, and many banks avoid doing business with digital currency exchanges due to the level of risk involved. That's where stablecoins tend to come in. While many cryptocurrencies have not brought on too much controversy, Tether has a more complex history. Tether is closely intertwined with cryptocurrency exchange Bitfinex, with both sharing CEO J.L. Van de Velde and other executives. It is this close relationship that has researchers casting a doubt of price manipulation in Bitcoin using Tether and Bitfinex. The New York Attorney General investigated both Tether and Bitfinex, alleging that despite its claims, Tether was not backed by equal US dollar reserves. The two companies were also charged with allegedly covering up $850 million in missing funds and misleading investors about their currency backing. In February 2021, Bitfinex and Tether agreed to pay $18.5 million to the state of New York and meet new transparency reporting requirements to settle the matter without admitting or denying the charges. In October 2021, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, or CFTC, fined Tether $41 million over misleading claims of US dollar reserves. It's also fined Bitfinex $1.5 million. Tether boasted a $1 billion market capitalization when Bitcoin hit $20,000 at the end of 2017. This year, it's a $70 billion plus powerhouse. Curious to know who are 10 Tether's biggest customers? But before we talk about it, make sure to like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now, or else you'll lose your investments. Don't want that to happen, right? 1. Alameda Research. Alameda Research describes itself as a multi-stage crypto and fintech investment firm, and it made 29-year-old chief exec Bankman-Fried crypto's richest billionaire. Forbes estimates his wealth at $26.5 billion. Tether sent almost $36.7 billion in USDT to Alameda Research. $31.7 billion, or 86%, was received in the past year. Alameda Research accounted for 37% of all outbound volume, while Tether sent nearly $30.1 billion or 87% of Alameda's USDT directly to FTX. Blockchain data shows Alameda operating on a number of other crypto exchanges. 2. Cumberland Global. Cumberland Global is a crypto trading subsidiary of markets powerhouse DRW, founded in 1992 by Chief Executive Donald R. Wilson. DRW is one of finance's top dogs, particularly in future markets. The Financial Times previously said, the unit is an important source of futures trading volume across the globe. Tether sent $23.7 billion in USDT to Cumberland. $17.6 billion or 74% was received in the past year. Cumberland received 22% of all outbound volume. 3. iFinex. iFinex is the mother company to its more well-known subsidiaries Bitfinex and Tether. The group has existed in the cryptocurrency space since 2013 and has survived 3 different hacks, regulatory scrutiny, and extended criticism from online commentators and mainstream media. Tether sent at least $4.5 billion in USDT to iFinex. Only $197.5 million or 4% of that was in the past year. iFinex received at least 4% of all outbound volume. 4. Nexo. Zug-registered Nexo is a sizable player in the DeFi ecosystem. It operates an exchange, a crypto lending service, and an over-the-counter trading desk. Nexo's crypto platform offers yield on a raft of cryptocurrencies, including stablecoins like Tether. Tether sent Nexo $2.6 billion in USDT. Practically all of that was in the past year. Nexo received a touch of over 2% of all outbound volume. 5. Heka. Heka is a market-neutral market maker operated by academics from the University of Malta and several other Maltese individuals. Specifically named in the Paradise Papers are Professor Simon Grima, Dr. Frank Dimich, as well as Joseph Surub and Adrian Galea. Tether sent Heka more than $1.5 billion in USDT. $1.1 billion or 71% of that was distributed in the past year. Heka received about 1.5% of all Tether ever distributed. 6. Jump Crypto. Last September, Chicago-bound trading giant Jump Trading made a widely publicized crypto push by investing in decentralized exchange Serum on Solana. Serum and Jump had inked a deal of an undisclosed amount that would see the outfit provide the liquidity necessary to make Serum-powered platforms like Mango Markets usable. Since then, Tether has issued Jump at least $1.1 billion in USDT on Solana this year, equal to almost 99% of all USDT that exists on that blockchain. Jump Crypto is considered the top liquidity provider to Mango Markets and Solana overall. 7. 3 Arrows. 3 Arrows Capital is run by popular crypto personalities Su Zhu and Kyle Davis. It has registered business addresses in both Singapore, where it maintains an office, and the British Virgin Islands. Tether sent 3 Arrows at least $674 million in USDT. At least $502 million or 74% of that was in the past year. 3 Arrows has received at a minimum 7.3% of all USDT in the funds and companies bracket. 8. Delchain. Delchain is a peculiar piece of the Tether puzzle. It's owned and operated by Tether's primary banking partner, Deltec Bank and Trust. Delchain directed about $694 million or 76% of its USDT to Bitfinex, $211 million or 23% to Kraken, and $3.2 million, less than 1% to Binance. 9. Blockchain Access and RenRenBit. UK-based market maker Blockchain Access is another notable entity to have received large amounts of USDT directly from Tether. Blockchain Access manages crypto exchange blockchain.com, headquartered in Luxembourg. It received more than $881 million in USDT, with $679 million or 77% issued in the past year. And RenRenBit, the Singapore-headquartered company that serves the China-based exchange of the same name, was issued over $200 million in USDT. And lastly, we have 10. Shillong's Web, Tether's most curious customer. Shillong Wang is a curiosity to say the least. They appear on the surface to handle USDT to a raft of trading firms, including little-known managers, Puretone Capital, Allied Capital, Max Victory Wealth Management, and ZB Trade, registered to tax havens around the world. Tether issued Shillong's Web $595 million in USDT. Roughly 1% of it was received in the past year. Shillong's Web is responsible for 6.5% of the funds and companies bracket. This just shows that USDT can be utilized for profit, as it should. It's the leading stablecoin, and allowing traders in neutral zone to trade in and out of their crypto positions is its entire business model. What are your thoughts about this video? Let's know in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.